In this video, I will show you how to make an automatic birthday reminder system in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let me explain how it works. In the column A and B, you have to maintain the record of employee name and their date of birth. Column D and E will automatically display the upcoming birthdays by considering the time of 15 days. It means if someone's birthday is until the next 15 days from today's date, it will show in the upcoming birthday list. If someone's birthday is on today, it will throw a birthday wish message box and also display a birth wish message in the column F. Let me change one birth date as today's date. Save the file, close it, and reopen. Here you see birthday wish message box is given. In the column F also, birthday wish message updates. When you click on OK, other upcoming birthdays will auto-update in the column D and E. Let's start learning how do we do this in Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook. Click on File tab, then Save As. In the File Type drop-down list, choose Excel Macro-enabled file type. Put a file name, choose the location to save, and save the file. Close the workbook and open macro-enabled version of the file. Rename the sheet as Date of Birth List. In cell A1, put employee name. In A2, put date of birth. In D1, E1, and F1, put upcoming birthdays, employee name, and message. After making these column headers, create a list of employee name and date of birth in the A and B column. Next, you need to write the VBA code to automate the things like displaying upcoming birthdays and the birthday wish message display. The required VBA code I have already written in this Notepad document. You can get this code Notepad file from the link given in the video description section below. Select all the code and copy. In the Excel application, click on the Developer tab, then Visual Basic. In the Project Explorer window of VBA, double-click on the This Workbook option. In this drop-down, select Workbook. Between the sub and end sub, paste the VBA code that you have copied from the Notepad file. Here in this code, you need to update the name of the sheet if it is something different than this default name given in the code. Let's update the sheet name. Next, you can also change the number of days for identifying the upcoming birthdays. For example, the default day is 15 days from the today's date. If you want to keep it 7 days, you can change it here. Now, close the VBA window. Save the Excel workbook and close it. Open the workbook. Click on Enable Content. This is required for the first open only. Here you see, the upcoming birthdays are automatically updated. In the column F, no birthday message is there because no one has the birthday on today. Let me change one birth date as today's date. Save the workbook, close, and reopen it. Here you see, birthday message box pops up. Happy birthday to you, Jack. After you click on OK, column F will show the birthday wish message whose birthday is today. And column D and E will show other upcoming birthdays. Let me change one birth date and make it as upcoming. Close and save the workbook, then reopen. Birthday wish message box pops up and the list will auto-update the new upcoming birthday. So, that was all about how we can create automatic birthday alert system in Microsoft Excel. Request you to support us by like, share, comment on the video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.